Here I'm going to talk about what is good about trading in the morning, what is good about trading in the afternoon, and what is bad about trading in each time period too. You have to know the difference. What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here, talking about trading in the morning, trading in the afternoon. Before I begin, let me remind you, go subscribe and click the little ringing bell so that you can be alerted to when I have a new video. It is imperative that you prioritize your education. Without education, you will be poor, miserable, and confused all your life. I don't want that. You don't want that. So subscribe and click the bell. That way I can teach you everything I've learned in the past 20 plus years. Also leave some comments just below this video. Let me know what you think about this video. Watch it through, okay? Because I want to talk to you about subjects that I think are really going to help you. And frankly, a lot of people get confused. Like, why does it matter if you're trading in the morning or in the afternoon? I mean, you're just trading stocks, right? You should trade good stocks versus bad stocks and then trade them anytime. Wrong. A lot of traders lose. Let me be frank about that. 90% of traders lose. It's due to lack of preparation. It's due to lack of understanding what the market is. So in the morning, stocks, specifically penny stocks, which is what I trade, they move faster. You can have big gains all in like a few seconds or a few minutes. At worst, a few hours. If there's breaking news, a stock can double in a few minutes or even drop 50% in a few minutes. So mornings are very exciting, but also very risky. You have to be alert. You have to be ready to exit the position very quickly. In the afternoons, frankly, I like it better because it's a little slower. The trend for the day has already presented itself. Usually you have a nice uptrend or a downtrend. There's not as much breaking news in the afternoon. If there is going to be breaking news, companies usually report it before the market open or right around the market open in the morning. So by the afternoon, all the news is pretty much out. Sometimes there's breaking news, but not often. And when the news is already out for the majority of the day, it's already priced into the stock. The good news with penny stocks is that, when there's some really meaningful news, like when a little company gets a big contract with Google or Apple or GE, like, a big company gives this small company, this small penny stock credibility. It's not all priced in on day one because pretty much the whole world hates penny stocks, because pretty much anybody who does trade penny stocks is not very meticulous. A lot of the times when there's meaningful news, the stock will spike on day 2 or day 3. And this is another reason why I prefer afternoon trading, because I want to see if the news, let's say, is in the morning and it's held its gains. Let's say the stock is at or near its day highs. In the afternoon, it can spike to new highs, either into the market close or on day 2. Either way, we know that this stock pattern has legs into day 2, day 3, day 4. I've been buying some stocks. Sometimes they even spike on day 6 or day 7. It's not an exact science. But the good news is with penny stocks, the whole move is usually not priced in right away, as compared to big companies where there's so many analysts following it. CNBC is talking about all the big companies. So if there is some major news, it's priced in pretty quickly. There's a lot of competition. With penny stocks, there's not a lot of competition. Welcome to the niche full of idiots. The fact that you're even watching this video means that you want to learn about this niche, which is good because most people just want hot stock picks. You see all these chat rooms and it's just buy this stock and the whole chat room buys, and then they sell and the whole chat room sells. You learn nothing, you make nothing. I would rather prepare you. I would rather you become my next self-sufficient student. So learn about morning trades, learn about afternoon trades. I have 6,000 video lessons now, plus in my video lesson library. Click the link just below. I'm going to include a link to my video lesson library. Watch them all, okay? Because this is not an exact science. So in case you're like, oh, I should always buy stocks in the morning or always buy stocks in the afternoon. No, every play is slightly different. You have to learn about the Sykes sliding scale. If you've seen my trader checklist guide, then you know that there are several indicators that I use. But by and large, stocks in the morning move very fast. You must be prepared. I hate it when newbies message me and they say, wow, Tim, that stock just moved out of nowhere. I don't know how to deal with this. Because you're unprepared. And it's okay to be unprepared. It's okay to start not knowing anything, but you need to get used to it. And that's why I encourage you to paper trade in the beginning using Stocks to Trade software. I'll post a link just below this video. You should click it. It's going to be a special offer from Stocks to Trade so you can, practice and see how fast these stocks move in the morning or how slow these stocks move in the afternoon, or trade with small position sizes, 100 shares, 200 shares, 500 shares. It's not about the money that you make or lose in the beginning of your education. This is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to get used to the patterns, you have to get used to the volatility, and you have to get used to this for your own personal schedule. I don't want you to be a slave to the stock market. Like, you don't have to work every single day from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Eastern. That's just a normal job. For me, the beautiful thing about trading, specifically penny stocks, is you're not going to be trading every single second, every single minute, every single day. You have to wait for the best plays. And when there is no good play, you should be studying the past. Once you've studied the past enough, you don't really need to study that much. I'm 20 years into this game. I don't need to study anymore. And frankly, it gets easier over time. But in the beginning, you need to study a lot. You need to learn the intricacies. You have to learn the subtleties. And that's what I'm here for. I'm here to prepare you. Leave a comment just below this video. Let me know what you think. Morning versus afternoon. Which do you prefer? And if you kind of see what I'm saying about being ready for the volatility. Penny stocks move very quickly. Be ready. Don't just be a deer in headlights. Thank you. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.